Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 10,025 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an American custom exhaust, an engine guard, quick detachable fairing, an aquatic AV multifunction head unit and 4 speakers, Willie G skull air cleaner insert, a backrest, and a bumper. From the factory, it comes equipped with a reverse, cruise control, and has also had a new front tire just installed. Powered by Harley's time-tested 103 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Freewheeler puts out a respectable 105 foot-pounds of low-end torque. It would be an excellent option for a rider looking for the thrills and experience of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. It weighs in at 1,082 pounds and has a seat height of 26.9 inches. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.